Good morning, students. I am your English teacher in Vittal Matriculation School. Okay, students, are you all happy? Had your breakfast? Yes. Last class, what we have seen? I gave homework to you, right? All of you colored your book? Yes, let me recall now. Today, Tuesday, no? Then, here, let us know. Let us see how the clown counts the things. 3 balls. 1, 2, 3. 3 balls. 2 balloons. 1, 2. 2 balloons. Oh, this one is uncountable, right? Salt. He is confused. He cannot count the last one. Do you think you can count salt? No. There are some things that we can count like 4 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 pencils. And 1, 2, 2 babies. 1, 2, 3, 3 chairs. And 1, 2, 3, 3 houses. When we ask about things that we can count, we ask how many? How many balls? How many pencils? How many babies? How many chairs? How many houses? Then there are some things we cannot count. We cannot count. Like sugar, metal, water, rice, oil. When we ask about these things that we cannot count, we ask how much? How much? Yes. Then look at the things below and tick if you can count and cross if you cannot count. Sand cannot count. Bread we can count. Salt we cannot count. Bicycle we can count. Butter also we cannot count. Rice we cannot count. Batch we can count. Tree we can count. Meat no, we cannot count. Then read the words and tick the correct box. Juice cannot count. Sugar cannot count. Water cannot count. Pen, yes, we can count. Ball can count. Then let us read. Students, are you all read the passage yesterday? Yes. You have to read the passage. Then only you have to improve your reading skill. Okay. Yes. Let me read now. The 2 parts. There are 2 parts, mud and brass. Mud and brass go to the river to play. Brass said, I will swim in the river, but you cannot. Mud said, why? Brass said, if you hit on a rock, you will break. If you hit on a rock, you will break. Mud said, let me try. Mud and Brass start to swim in the river. Brass said, let us swim deeper. Mud said, no, let us go back to the river bank. Then Mud went back to the river bank, but Brass went on. Soon the river was deep and Brass was not able to swim. Help, help, said Brass. Mud used a stick from the river bank to help. After that, Mud and Brass do not play in the river. They only play by the river. Okay, next, let us think and do. Circle the correct word. Here, river, R-I-V-E-R, river. Stick, S-T-I-C-K, stick. Pot, P-O-T, pot. Tick S or no. There are two parts S. They play in a park? It is no. The mud pot helps the brass pot? Yes. Arrange the story in the correct order using numbers from 1 to 3. See, first picture is this, and second one and third one, right? Then, students, are you all colored? Yes, you have to color your pot as brown, mixie as red, and pan as black. You have to color these three pictures. And big picture. We already see that, right? What is in the girl's hand? A key is in the girl's hand. What is in the boy's hand? A bat is in the boy's hand. What is on the wall? A clock is on the wall. A clock is on the wall. What is under the table? A ball is under the table. A ball is under the table. What is in the tank? A fish is in the tank. A fish is in the tank. What is on the sofa? A pillow. A pillow is in the sofa. A pillow is on the sofa. What is on the cupboard? A flower vase is on the cupboard. What is on the hanger? A shirt on the hanger. A shirt on the hanger. A flower vase is on the cupboard. You have to write it S. Then, what is the color of the wall? See, yellow is the color of the wall. What is the time by the wall clock? 4 o'clock is the time by the wall clock. Students, are you all understood? Yes, you have to read and memorize with carefully understood, okay? And then I can do. Write the names of the utensils. Write the names of the utensils. Mixture, M-I-X-E-R, mixture. You have to write the correct 2 lines, okay? It is the 4 line. We are right in the small letter, so we have to use center 2 lines, the middle 2 lines, right? Then knife, K-N-I-F-E, knife. It is pronunciation as knife, but here K is the silent letter. Bowl, B-O-W-L, bowl. Okay, today's the classes start from here. Read the sentence and write true or false. If the sentence is right, we have to write T. It is wrong, we have to write F. We cut with knife. Yes, we cut with knife. It is true. So, T. We mix with recipe book. No, it is false. We make milkshake with mixie. We make milkshake with mixie. Yes, true. We fry with pan. Yes, it is also true. Match the word with picture. Match the word with picture. Here see stir. It is stir. It is stir. We have to stir something, right? So it is the correct picture. And here chop. Chop. And then boil. Here boil. Egg boil is the pan, right? So boil. Stir, chop, boil. Boil. Then Arrange the letters and write the correct word. Arrange the letters and write the correct word. Beat with whisk. Beat with the correct word WHISK, whisk, and we have to write here WHISK, whisk. Then greater, greater, GRATER, greater. Greater the carrot for salad. Grater, GRATER, grater the carrot for salad. Beat a whisk, beat a whisk. Grater the carrot for salad. Recite the poem Bender the Blender. We have to recite the poem Bender the Blender. Take page number 70. Page number, students, are you all take your page number 70. We have recite the poem Bender the Blender. Bender the Blender. There once, let me read, you have to listen, okay? There once was a blender. There once was a blender. His name was Bender. His name was Bender. When no one was home, he would come alive and roam. He would come and alive and roam. All his friends would be there soon. All his friends would be there soon. The knife, the fork, and the spoon, the knife and the fork and the spoon, they would gather around and run all over the ground. Soon everyone is glum, hearing the car room, room. They have to draw the line and wait until next time. Let me read it again. There once was a blender. His name was Bender. When no one was home, he would come alive and roam. All his friends would be there soon. The knife, the fork, and the spoon, they would gather around and run all over the ground. Soon everyone is glum, hearing the car room, room. They have to draw the line and wait until next time. Yes, next. Listen to the teacher and ask a question. Here, ask a pen from your friend. Ask a pen from your friend. See how to ask pen from your friend? Yes. Can you give me your pen? How to ask your friend? Can you give me your pen? Yes. Can you give me your pen? Then ask a notebook from your brother, sister. Here the same. Can you give me your notebook? Your notebook? Yes. Ask a pen from your friend. How to ask you? Hey, can you give me your pen? And ask a notebook from your brother and or sister. Can you give me your notebook? Yes. Here then circle the odd one. Circle the odd one. Here, see, What things are there? Ball, balloon, and salt or flour or rice, etc. is this, okay? Ball is countable. Balloon is also countable. But here, like salt, okay? Salt is uncountable, right? So it is an odd one. So we have to write the circle the salt. Ball, balloon is countable things and salt is the uncountable thing. So this one is the odd one. Here see, bat, oil, wheat. Here bat is countable, oil is uncountable, and wheat is uncountable. Here the bat is the odd one. The bat is the odd one. Yes. Write C for things you can count. You can count. We have to write C. And U for things you cannot count. U. Yes. Here chair and what it is rice, like that, and pan. Here chair is countable, so chair is we can count, so we have to write C. Here rice or something, it is uncountable, so we have to write U. Pan is we can count, so C. Yes. Then small creatures. Second lesson, small creatures. I keep away from the insects. Do you? I keep away from the insects. Do you? Yes. Then look and say. Look and say. Here this picture seeing like so colorful, right? Students, are you all like that picture? You have to know the insect's name and it's the appearance of the insects. Yes. Look and say. First we have seen bumblebee. Bumblebee, like BUMBLEBEE. Bumblebee. And snail. See, snail. 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 Bumblebee, snail. Next, ladybug. 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 Butterfly. 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 Mosquito. 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 And then grasshopper. Grasshopper. See, the green color insect is grasshopper. 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 Then see, housefly. 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 Next, spider. 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 Dragonfly. 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 Golden beetle. Golden beetle. GOLDENBEETLE. Golden beetle. Then firefly. 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 Caterpillar. 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 Beetle. 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 Rainbug. 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 See, students, you have to say after me, okay? Bumblebee. 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 Snail. Snail. Ladybug. Ladybug. Butterfly. Butterfly. Mosquito. Mosquito. Grasshopper. Grasshopper. Housefly. Housefly. Dragonfly. Dragonfly. Spider. Spider. Golden beetle. Golden beetle. Firefly. Firefly. Caterpillar. Caterpillar. Beetle. Beetle. Rainbug. Rainbug. Then we have to recall today's class, okay? Yes. Read the sentence and write true or false. We cut with knife. True. We mix with recipe book. False. We make milkshake with mixie. True. We fry with pan. True. Match the word with the picture. Stir. Stir. Chop. Chop. Boil. 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 Then arrange the letters and write the correct word. Arrange the letters and write the correct word. Beat with a whisk. Beat with a whisk. Grated the carrot for salad. Grated the carrot for salad. Recite the poem. Bender the blender. We already recited it, right? Then listen to the teacher and ask a question. A. Ask a pen from your friend. How we can ask? Can you give me your pen? Hey, can you give me your pen? Yes, like that. Then ask a notebook from your brother and sister. Can you give me your notebook for me? Yes, can you give me your notebook? Like that. Then circle the odd one. Here, first one is ball, balloon and salt. Here, ball and balloon we can count, but salt we cannot count. So, it is the odd one. And bat, oil, wheat. Oil and wheat we can count, and bat is we can count, but oil and wheat we cannot count. So bat is the odd one. Write C for things you can count and U for things you cannot count. C, here see, chair. Chair is countable thing, so C. Here rice is uncountable, so U. Pan is countable thing, so C. Okay, students, you have to read and you have to memorize the name of the insects and write it in your note. Okay, you have to know the name of the insects. Okay, and you have to recall this passage and you have to understood what is the counting things and uncountable things. Okay, students, keep safe at your home. Those who are not paid your school fees, kindly you have to pay your fees and bring your notebooks. Okay, students, if you have any doubt, you can come and ask me or you can call me. Okay, thank you, students. Keep safe at your home and keep reading ever. Okay, thank you.